When you receive your UPWalker, it will look like this. Put the box in the upright position and take a knife or scissors, cutting the packaging tape on the top. Next, roll the UPWalker on its side. When you first reach inside, pull out a piece of cardboard that helps to stabilize the unit in the box and save that. Next, grab a hold of the bag that surrounds the UPWalker and gently slide it out of the box. It may be helpful if you have someone holding the box as you are pulling the plastic bag out. Once the UPWalker is out, put it in the upright position and take the plastic bag, sliding it downwards until it is at the wheels of the UPWalker. At this point, you will notice that there are accessories inside the bag as well as instructions for the UPWalker. Remove these and start reading the instructions. Once you've unpackaged your UPWalker Lite, please save the packaging materials just in case you need to return your UPWalker Lite.